Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, here we are going to see a very important video of Instagram, that is a very new feature as well, that is how to restrict someone on Instagram. Well, by restricting I mean to say that if you restrict some person on Instagram or their profile, well, they won't be able to see when you're online or if you have read their messages. Once you post, if they comment, it will only be visible to that person whom you have restricted, and if you choose to see their comment, you can see that by tapping see comment. So this is how this restricted thing works on Instagram. So how to do that, how to restrict someone, I'll tell you now. So first of all, you have to search the profile of the person to whom you want to restrict. For example, I'll go here. I want to restrict this person. As usual, you have to go to this three dots on the topmost right corner of Instagram. Just press here and you can see here this kind of options will come, like report, block, restrict, share this profile, all this thing. So just press the restrict button. So here the message will come like, are you having a problem with this person? Limit unwanted interaction without having to block or unfollow someone you know. You will control if others can see their new comments on your post. Their chat will be moved to your message request, so they won't see when you have read it. So okay, very well, I'll restrict this account. Once I do that, you can see the account is restricted. So similarly, if you want to unrestrict that person, I'll go back to home page. So if you want to unrestrict that person or revoke their restriction, so I'll just once again go here. Once I go here, there is something called settings. In settings, you can see privacy. And once I go to privacy, I can see restricted accounts just before the block accounts menu. I'll press here restricted accounts. Once I go here, protect yourself from unwanted interaction without having to block or unfollow. Again, this same message will come. I'll continue. Once I do that, that profile will come up here, the person whom I restricted. So I'll just press here unrestrict. Once I do that, it has been restricted. So a message is coming like you haven't restricted anyone. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you knew how to restrict and unrestrict a person on Instagram. It's a very useful feature if somebody is creating a problem for you, or you are not comfortable with that person. Instead of blocking them, you can restrict them as well, so that they have limited privileges for what you post or on your Instagram page, to be precise. So friends, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very important feature of Instagram. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.